Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something most of us enjoy but may not fully understand when it comes to weight loss. Caffeine. Yes, that cup of coffee you sip on every morning may be doing more than just waking you up. Today we're going to dive into how you can boost your metabolism with caffeine and use it to support your weight loss goals. Now, caffeine is often thought of as just a quick pick me up, something we reach for when we are groggy in the morning or need a mid afternoon energy boost. But did you know it actually has the potential to fire up your metabolism and help you burn more calories? That's right. When used correctly, caffeine can give your metabolism the kick it needs to work harder, longer, and more efficiently. Stick with me today, and by the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding on how caffeine works in your body, how it can enhance your metabolism, and some key strategies to use it effectively without overdoing it. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can continue sharing health tips that help you thrive. Ready to unlock the secret power of caffeine? Let's get started. So, what is caffeine actually doing when it comes to your metabolism? When you drink your coffee, tea, or that occasional energy drink, caffeine gets absorbed into your bloodstream and starts interacting with your central nervous system. It blocks a neurotransmitter called adenosine, which is responsible for making you feel sleepy. That's why caffeine makes you feel more alert and energized. But here's where things get interesting. In blocking adenosine, caffeine increases the activity of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. This increase leads to a rise in your heart rate and stimulates the release of adrenaline, which is your body's fight or flight hormone. This process doesn't just get your heart pumping, it also signals your body to burn fat for energy. In addition to all that, caffeine has a thermogenic effect on your body. Thermogenesis is the process by which your body produces heat, and as your body heats up, it burns more calories. It's like turning on a little internal furnace, which revs up your metabolic rate. Now that we know caffeine can boost your metabolism, let's talk about how it plays a direct role in fat burning. When you consume caffeine, it signals your fat cells to break down stored fat and release it into the bloodstream as free fatty acids. These free fatty acids can then be used by your body as energy. This is why caffeine is often included in fat burning supplements. It not only boosts your energy, but also mobilizes fat from your fat cells, making it available for your body to use it as fuel. Essentially, caffeine helps your body tap into fat reserves more efficiently, especially when paired with exercise. So, if you're hitting the gym or going for a run after that cup of coffee, you are more likely to burn fat as your energy source rather than carbohydrates alone. So, how do you make sure you're using caffeine to your advantage when it comes to weight loss? The key is timing and moderation. Here are a few strategies that can help you maximize caffeine's benefits. Number one, morning kickstart. Having a cup of coffee or tea in the morning can help jumpstart your metabolism and get your body into fat burning mode early in the day. Drinking caffeine on an empty stomach can also enhance its thermogenic effects, but be mindful if you are prone to acid reflux or have a sensitive stomach. Number two, one of the most effective ways to use caffeine for fat loss is to consume it before a workout. Caffeine can improve exercise performance by increasing your endurance and helping you push through longer or more intense workouts. Not only does it give you the energy to perform, but it also helps your body burn more fat during the session. Number three, While caffeine can be helpful, more isn't always better. Too much caffeine can lead to jitteriness, anxiety, or an energy crash later on. Stick to around 200 to 400 milligrams of caffeine per day, which is roughly the amount in 2 to 4 cups of coffee. And remember, everyone has a different tolerance for caffeine, so listen to your body. Number 4, stay hydrated. Caffeine is a diuretic, which means it can cause you to lose water through urine. If you're not drinking enough water, you might feel dehydrated or fatigued after your caffeine boost wears off. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and maintain energy levels. While caffeine can certainly give your metabolism a helpful boost, it's not a magic bullet. To truly maximize your metabolism, you need to pair caffeine with the right dietary choices. Let's talk about some easy ways to keep your metabolism humming along. Number 1, high diet protein. Protein has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does with fats or carbs. Try pairing your caffeine with a high protein breakfast. Think scrambled eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. This combination can help you feel full and energized while also supporting your metabolism. Number 2, green tea for added boost. If you're looking for a way to switch things up, green tea is another fantastic source of caffeine. Not only does it have caffeine, but also contains catechins, which are antioxidants known to enhance fat burning. Sipping on green tea throughout the day can give your metabolism a gentle nudge without the jitters some people get from coffee. Number 3, healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil can help boost your metabolism. Fats are essential for hormone production, including hormones that regulate your metabolism. Combining a cup of coffee with a breakfast rich in healthy fats can give you sustained energy without the crashes. Caffeine can be incredibly effective at boosting your metabolism, but timing is key. Consuming caffeine too late in the day can interfere with your sleep, and poor sleep has a negative effect on your metabolism. When you are sleep deprived, your body becomes less efficient at processing glucose and burning fat, which can lead to weight gain over time. To get the most out of caffeine without disrupting your sleep, try to limit your intake to the morning and early afternoon. Ideally, you want to stop consuming caffeine at least 6 to 8 hours before bedtime to ensure it doesn't interfere with your sleep cycle. If you are someone who's more sensitive to caffeine, you might want to make that window even longer. While caffeine can be an excellent metabolism booster, it's not for everyone. Some people are sensitive to caffeine and experience side effects like anxiety, jitteriness, or digestive issues. If that sounds like you, don't worry. You can still rev up your metabolism with some caffeine alternatives. For example, ginger and cinnamon are both known to support metabolism. Ginger has thermogenic properties, meaning it can help your body burn calories by increasing heat production. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that slow down metabolism. Another option is L-carnitine supplements. This amino acid is involved in energy production and fat metabolism. It helps transport fatty acids into your cells so they can be used as energy. L-carnitine supplements are a popular alternative to caffeine for those who are looking to boost their metabolism naturally. While caffeine can be a great tool in your weight loss toolbox, it's important to remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. To see real, long-term lasting results, you need a balanced approach that includes regular exercise, a healthy diet, and good sleep habits. Caffeine can increase your metabolism, but it works best when paired with other healthy lifestyle choices. Make sure you're eating plenty of whole foods, getting regular movement, and giving your body the rest it needs to function properly. One thing to keep in mind is that over time, your body can build a tolerance to caffeine. This means that while your metabolism might get a nice boost when you first start incorporating caffeine, the effects can lessen over time. To prevent this, you can try cycling your caffeine intake. This involves taking periodic breaks from caffeine so that your body doesn't become too accustomed to it. For example, you might try going caffeine free for a week every couple of months. This gives your body a chance to reset, and when you reintroduce caffeine, you'll feel its effects more strongly again. So there you have it. Caffeine isn't just a wake-up call for your brain, it's also a powerful tool for boosting your metabolism and supporting weight loss. By using caffeine wisely, whether that's in your morning coffee or a pre-workout green tea, you can tap into its fat-burning benefits while still keeping things balanced. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much caffeine can lead to anxiety, jitteriness, and poor sleep, all which can sabotage your metabolism in the long run. Pair your coffee intake with a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and enough rest, and you'll be on your way to supporting your body's fat burning potential. Before we wrap up, here's a curious tip to keep you engaged until the very end. Did you know that caffeine works best when paired with a healthy amount of water? Dehydration can actually slow down your metabolism, so when you drink your morning coffee or tea, try pairing it with a glass of water to keep your metabolism running smoothly and avoid any sluggishness later on. Incorporating these simple strategies into your daily routine can give you the extra edge you need on your weight loss journey. Whether it's making sure your meals are balanced with healthy fats and protein, or strategically timing your caffeine intake to match your workouts, small changes can lead to big effects. And remember, caffeine is just a tool in the broader picture of health, not a magic bullet. With that in mind, be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. You don't need to drastically overhaul your life overnight. Start small, maybe with your morning coffee, and see how incorporating some of these tips start to change your energy levels and how your body feels overall. You've got this. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this video with someone who could use a little extra inspiration on their health journey. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.